OpenAI has officially stepped into the AI browser space with Atlas, a new browser designed to integrate ChatGPT directly into the user experience. Built on top of Chromium, Atlas combines the speed and compatibility of a traditional browser with an AI assistant that can see, remember, and interact with web content on your behalf. This transforms everyday browsing tasks into a hands-free experience. For instance, ordering food online is now as simple as telling Atlas what you want. Instead of manually navigating multiple apps and filling out forms, the browser can complete the order for you, handle checkout, and even track delivery updates. Beyond convenience, Atlas can help with research, automate repetitive tasks, summarize long articles, and even draft emails or messages based on context from the websites you visit. Atlas's memory system is one of its most notable features. The AI can recall previous interactions and use them as context for new queries. Users are not locked into this system. Atlas allows selective deletion of memories or a complete reset, giving a measure of control over how the AI interacts with your data. This strikes a balance between convenience and privacy, a critical consideration as AI becomes more deeply embedded in web tools. Security remains a key concern in the AI browser space. Prior AI browsers have been vulnerable to prompt injection attacks, where malicious instructions hidden in images or web pages are executed by the AI. Such vulnerabilities highlight the challenges of integrating autonomous AI into web environments and underline the need for careful testing and robust safeguards. Despite these challenges, Atlas is part of a broader trend. AI-powered browsers are becoming more capable and feature-rich. Competitors are exploring alternative approaches. Ladybird, for example, is building an entirely independent browser engine from scratch, aiming for maximum control over performance, security, and compliance with web standards. While Ladybird doesn't yet include AI features, it demonstrates that there are multiple paths forward for developers seeking a modern browsing experience. The emergence of AI browsers also underscores the importance of complementary tools, like search APIs and hybrid data systems. A browser alone is only as good as the information it can access. Services such as MeleeSearch, a RESTful search API, allow developers to integrate semantic, multimodal search capabilities into their apps. This ensures AI tools can deliver accurate, context-rich results quickly, turning vague AI suggestions into actionable outcomes. For developers, the lesson is clear. AI-powered browsers are more than just a novelty. They are shaping the way users interact with the web, enabling automation, increasing efficiency, and transforming workflows across industries. At the same time, developers must remain aware of privacy, security, and transparency issues to ensure users can safely leverage these new capabilities. Lesson of the day: AI browsers like Atlas can redefine productivity and online interaction, but responsible implementation is crucial. Balancing automation, privacy, and security will determine whether these tools become indispensable or just another experiment.